What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Doing Stuff with Darnell. I'm Darnell, and today we cooking with Darnell. I got a good one for y'all today. It's a quick one, easy one. Literally 3 ingredients, and it is salmon. One of the easiest thing to make, one of the easiest thing to overcook. So I'm gonna show y'all how to cook it right. I like my salmon medium raw. Would that make sense? I like it still a little pink on the inside. I mean, you can eat salmon raw anyway, so the fact that I'm cooking it, it's gonna be pretty good. It's quick, literally 8 minutes. It literally takes 8 minutes to cook the perfect salmon, and that's what I'm gonna show y'all today. So let me get set up in here, and I'll be back. Peace out. Not peace out, but you know what it is. Okay, so like I told y'all, I got 2 pieces of salmon. This probably is about 4 ounces maybe, so it's about 23 grams of protein each. I don't like to eat a lot of meat, so I eat a lot of fish sometimes, or seafood. So today we got salmon. I told y'all this is very easy to cook. 2 simple ingredients: salt, pepper. That's all I'm using this time. But first, let me use some olive oil in a pan, just a little. Put it on, turn it on medium heat while we do this. Want your pan hot so the fish can get down, cook quick. So like I said, sometimes I do Cajun salmon, blackened salmon, honey glazed salmon, but I just came from the gym and I want to eat and get it over with. So told you, simple, 8 minutes, literally 3 ingredients: salt, pepper. I'm gonna pair this with maybe some potatoes and green beans, and you know, so you want to season this coarse salt, so it's pretty thick. Salt, pepper. You can literally flip it over. See, this is the worst part of the salmon, taking the skin off from the back. I kind of butchered it, that's why it's not on camera. So yeah, but all this stuff, this is skin. I mean the what's it called, the scale and skin of the fish. You can eat it, nothing wrong with it. And now we just wait until the oil heat up. Told you, this is a quick, simple meal. Pretty good, pretty tasty. You might be looking like, oh, you gonna put it salt and pepper? Yes, that's all I'm putting. Yes, all I'm putting is salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. That's all you need sometimes. You don't have to overcomplicate things. Overcomplicate things. Salt and pepper. Now, I think my oven is hot enough. I mean, my skillet is hot enough, so let's move over to the cooking portion. Okay, we back. I think the skillet is hot enough. You want it pretty much on medium heat. Lay it down. Really don't matter which side. I want to go 8 minutes on each side, so just put it in there. Oh yeah, you hear that? That's what you want to hear. That's what you want to hear. Put that down. 8 minutes. I told y'all this is quick. It is easy. It's something you can make for dinner, lunch, breakfast. It really don't matter. If you like salmon, do this. It's gonna be delicious. Yeah, so pretty much just wait till this cook. Still get my spatula time to flip after around 4 minutes. Give it a nice little flip. Now, salmon can sometimes be tricky, so you just gotta maneuver it. Make sure it don't break. See that? That's perfect. It's gonna cook perfectly on the other side. So this stuff right here comes straight off. It's literally just the end of the skin. Literally just the end of the skin. You want to let that cook. Shake it so it won't stick. Just leave it alone for 4 minutes. That's all you got. That's all you need. Alright. Okay, now it's time to pull. The key to cooking any protein is letting it rest. So I'm about to pull these now. Let it rest back on the cutting board, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I do when I plate it. Let me get that flip right. Get that. Ooh, look at that. Get you a better look at this. Yes. See that? Nice little brown sear. This one could have went a little bit longer, but I told you I like my salmon medium rare. Like a little pink on the inside. So yeah. Jesus. That's good. So we'll let that rest. Catch up with y'all when I'm ready to plate. Okay, so my salmon has been resting about, give it about 7 minutes maybe. Could have left it on a little bit longer, but I chose to take it off. I got some green beans and some semi-mashed potatoes right here. Time to plate. Let me just get under that. Set one right there. Get under this one. Set that right there. OMG. Decorations and garnish. And there you have it. Delicious salmon. You see, still got that pink going on in there. Just how I like it. There you have it. Salmon with some green beans. It's a great meal, anytime meal. Told you, took me 8 minutes to cook. Probably 20 minutes to prep. 28 minutes, 30 minutes total. You eating a good meal. So, I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to go destroy this. Peace out. Well, there you go, people. That's how you make salmon. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all think about the salmon. Let me know how you like your salmon. What you like to put on your salmon. I told y'all I kept it simple. I kept it sweet. And we got us a good meal. So, I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to go ahead and eat because it's looking mighty good.